In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autocomplete in Adobe Acrobat, a feature that can sometimes be more of a hindrance than a help when you're filling out forms. Whether you find it distracting or you simply prefer manual control over your input, disabling autocomplete is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through step by step to ensure you're comfortable and clear on how it's done. First, you'll want to start by opening up Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you have it open, pay attention to the interface. The first thing you need to do is locate the menu button. It's positioned on the top left corner of your Adobe Acrobat window. Go ahead and click on this button. This is where you'll find various options and settings that you can adjust in Acrobat. After clicking on the menu button, the next step is to select Preferences from the drop-down. You should see Preferences somewhere on the list. Clicking on this will open a new window with a range of categories where you can tweak the software's settings to better suit your needs. As you navigate through the Preferences window, you'll need to find the category labeled Forms. This section deals with how forms behave and interact with your inputs in Adobe Acrobat. It contains all the settings related to forms that you may want to adjust, including autocomplete. Once you've located the Forms category, look for the section labeled Autocomplete. In this section, Adobe Acrobat gives you control over whether this feature is on or off. You'll notice a drop-down menu under the Autocomplete section. Click on this menu to reveal your options. By default, it might be set to remember previous inputs, but since we're turning it off, you will need to select Off from the drop-down list. This action tells Adobe Acrobat not to suggest or fill in entries based on your previous inputs. Finally, to ensure that your settings have been confirmed, you need to click on OK at the bottom right of the Preferences window. This will save the changes you've made and close the Preferences menu. And there you go, you've successfully turned off the autocomplete feature. Taking control of the autocomplete settings in Adobe Acrobat can significantly enhance your experience, particularly when precision and focus are required in document work. Remember, you can always reverse these changes by following the steps again if you ever decide you want to turn the autocomplete feature back on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial simple and helpful.